Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I'm looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for CommunityPower EA by Andrei Katimliansky. And the first thing that stands out is that this is actually a free EA, not a paid product, which already makes it interesting from a testing and flexibility perspective. From what I can see here, it supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So I'll be treating it as a dual platform expert advisor throughout this review. The version listed is 3.2, last updated on 6th March 2026. And it is positioned more as a community-driven tool rather than a fixed commercial strategy. Now, moving into the description, the key idea behind CommunityPower EA is actually quite different from most EAs. Instead of being a fully predefined trading system, it is described as a tool for building and running your own trading strategies. Okay. So essentially, the concept here is your suggestions plus the developer's code, right? You can see there the idea, meaning the EA is designed to be flexible and adaptable rather than locked into a single strategy. One important clarification I see directly in the description is that this is not a ready-made money-making system. It's explicitly stated that it is a tool and the responsibility for strategy development, settings, and optimization is on the user. That's a key point because it immediately sets expectations. This isn't something you attach and forget, it's something you actually work with and configure based on your own approach. Now, there are also mentions of community shared set files, all right, and documentation available externally, which suggests that a lot of the value here comes from how you engage with the community resources rather than just default settings. Now, moving into the EA concept itself, what I'm seeing is that it is designed to be versatile, meaning it can potentially support different trading approaches depending on how it is configured. But again, nothing here is predefined as a fixed strategy in the marketplace description. So there are no specific indicators, entry rules, or trading logic explicitly defined that I can point to as a built-in system. Okay, so now transitioning into the backtest section, since this EA is more of a configurable framework, the historical testing becomes less about a single fixed strategy and more about how different settings perform over time. Okay, so let's just briefly look at the images that are provided here. Okay, this seems to be the EA in action, how it looks like. And then here we have the community, all right, and okay, more from the community. And okay, I think that's just about it. So let's just still head over to our strategy tester, and we're testing the CommunityPower EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 5 months, all right, from the beginning of 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, and we're using the every tick modeling. So looking at the backtest results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 11,525.51. And we can see that 203 trades were taken, short trades were 92 with an 83.7% win rate, long trades were 111 with a 75.68% win rate, and the largest profit was 2,542.59. Largest loss was 2,377.52. The average profit 192.09, average loss 461.92. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite much. And then as for the risk to reward, as for the win rate is not is okay. The win rate is actually good. Yeah, the win rate is good. So it's not surprising to see a total net profit of 11.5% over the past 5 months, right? So as I go through the historical data, I'm focusing more on overall behavior patterns rather than individual trade execution, since the system is not defined by a single fixed logic. So from a strategy perspective, what this type of EA typically represents is a user-defined trading framework where performance is heavily dependent on how the trader builds and adjusts the underlying approach. All right. Now, in terms of results, this is strictly historical backtest performance and historical analysis. All right. So it should not be interpreted as guaranteed performance going forward. Outcomes can vary significantly, okay, depending on configuration choices, broker conditions, execution quality, and overall market environment. So that is why I would always recommend testing different configurations over longer periods before considering any live application, especially with a system that is designed to be customized like this. Now let's just briefly turn on the visual mode to see the EA in action. Same settings, all right, but we just want to see how the EA would behave actively. All right. Okay, so similar to what we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see this dashboard here. Okay, and we can see this should be the default settings for the EA, which is already being implemented, probably the default strategy or something like that, right? And then we can also see the display showing take profit value and potential percentage. And we can also see that this EA seems to be using uh, a sort of averaging technique, or perhaps martingale like technique. And okay, we can also see here this is probably time. And okay, we can see stock M5, stock H4, and okay, these are community power checkbox. Okay, so this is the EA being active, right? Overall, community power EA stands out more as a flexible trading development tool rather than a traditional automated strategy, and its real value depends heavily on how the user builds and tests their own approach. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.